Hello, my name is Sudhakin Mahesh Bhai. I'm studying in 12th Science.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल।
We participated in science fair and our section name is resource management and food security. Our project name is reflecting factors on residential homes and effects caused by homes on an environment. We made 3 houses for the science fair: cement, wood and clay. As we know, nature is a fantastic designer. Recycling of everything made by nature is possible, but we know human has always been interfering in natural activities, and in our side, cement is the biggest interference.
मैं क्या करूं फिर, जॉब छोड़ दूं?
In today's industrial generation, we are using cement has been a very dangerous enemy of human being in the face of global warming. We know recycling of wood and clay is possible and it is also degradable, but the thing which is made from cement cannot be recycled, and in present cement being used everywhere. But the main thing is that the life of building thick by cement is just 14 years. After that, cement becomes very dangerous pollution causing factor. All that manpower, money power and machine power we used after that are totally wasted.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
And in opposite, we can use every part of wood and clay after its death, like for furniture, fuel and fertilizer, etc. Now you will think that how can cement be the very dangerous pollution causing factor? Let me explain. When we heat up the calcium carbonate, we get calcium oxide. When we can turn that calcium oxide in very small particles by adding.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Al2O3, Fe2O3, MgO, SO3 and SiO2 in that, and we get the thing which is known as cement. When we make the process, CO2 release, cement releases carbon dioxide in environment, and the making process of cement increases more carbon dioxide in environment. According to United Nations in the Governmental Panel on Climate Change, carbon dioxide is 50% responsible for the increasing temperature on Earth. And it is indirectly also affect the health of human beings. How, let me say,
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना।
Cement absorbs the warm CO2 from environment and becomes hard like limestone. When we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide, and its temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The wall made from cement including Al2O3 in that, and Al2O3 is the great conductor of heat. It has high thermal conductivity, so the wall passes the heat inside the room, and we breathe out, then we release carbon dioxide, so that CO2 takes the heat passed by walls and increases the temperature of room. And now that what happens ahead, we all know the results of increased temperature, and remember that cement cannot be recycled. So friends, cement is very dangerous pollution causing factor for our upcoming generation that we have to control.